Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of my Amazon favorites. More recently, I've been buying a lot more of hair care and even makeup products on Amazon. And so I thought I would share with you guys my favorites because I find it a little difficult to just browse through Amazon. I'm more likely to go to YouTube and look for these types of videos to figure out what other people are buying because Amazon is huge. They have so many different products, so it's just easier to get a list of products that people recommend versus browsing for hours and hours in the infinite Amazon world. So I'm going to share with you guys my top 12 picks from Amazon. These are the products that I really love and I recommend to my friends all the time. Okay, so now I'm going to get into the very first product, and the first products that I'm going to talk to you about are all about hair care. This product I've been buying off of Amazon for years now. This is the Eva NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. I used to purchase this at Winners, and then some reason they kind of phased out of Winners, and this is probably my like 6th bottle. This is empty. I have to buy a new one. But yeah, this is my all-time favorite dry shampoo, and I buy it on Amazon. So I'm the type of person that hates blow drying their hair. It's the worst part of showering. I just hate doing it, so most of the time I leave my hair to just frizz up and get really curly. But sometimes I really want my hair to look nice. I just haven't found a perfect way to do that without spending so much time and really hurting my hair with a bunch of different hot tools. So when Revlon reached out to me to send me their Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer, this is what it looks like. Hair is like the last thing I'm good at. I much rather do my makeup and make my makeup look good, and then my hair just comes last all the time. But I was like, I'll try it out, I'll test it, see how it works. And I tried it for the first time today, and I was like, I cannot exclude this from my Amazon video. This is like my dream hair product. It is so simple to use. It's basically a blow dryer in like a round brush. So the hot air comes through here and actually disperses out this way. And what you do is you like wrap your hair around like this, and then you pull it through. And when I used it for the first time, I was like, holy crap, this is life-changing. You don't need a brush and like a million other tools to kind of pull your hair through. You just need this. I actually took a video of me trying it out today, and I will insert that here so you guys can see how easy it was for me to just section off my hair and then blow different strands dry. And I found the best way to use it is like underneath by pulling it. And then another trick that I found when using this is I pull my hair all the way through, like after I'm done drying the top, and then I rotate the bottom ends through it a couple of times, and it gives this beautiful curl at the bottom. And I swear it looks like my hair, I just got it done at the salon, and I couldn't be happier because I can do it myself at home so much easier now. So I had to include this in my Amazon favorites because this is probably one of my favorites in this entire video. Yeah, moving on. Okay, another hair product is my hair dye. This year I stopped going to the salon to get it dyed because it was like costing me $150 or something insane like that just to dye my roots. And I was like, oh my god, I need to find a better way. So someone actually recommended the Clairol hair dye, which is actually a washout hair dye. But I found my perfect color that I love using. This is the light brown color in number 6. And most of the time on Amazon I can get it for $6, and at Shoppers Drug Mart they sell it for $12. So I only purchase it on Amazon, or if it's on like a really big sale at Walmart or something. But I gotta stock up on this because I just dyed my hair this morning and I need to keep it in stock. So it's taken me a really long time to actually trust the Amazon beauty products. If I don't know the brand, I'm not necessarily gonna purchase it because I don't know, like, what kind of stuff do they have to offer kind of thing. But then I was really intrigued by the Grace and Stella F-Bomb This Works. And I saw a bunch of ads on Instagram and they got me. So it's a cleansing balm, and it compares to the Slay Balm by Drunk Elephant and the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. And I love the Take the Day Off Balm. It's like my absolute favorite. But when I tried this, it's actually so much smoother and creamier in texture than even my Take the Day Off Balm, which is like a real shocker to me. I think it's like $19 or something on Amazon. And it comes with a little scoop at the top, which is like so much better. I love scooping it with this scooper, the spoon. versus my fingers, because then it gets underneath my nails and the whole jar gets really dirty. So I've been really, really loving this balm, and I recommend you guys trying some of their products, especially their cleansing balm. It's so good. Okay, another product that I bought off of Amazon, and this was actually a recommendation from a friend, which actually most of these were recommendations because I don't just like trust the Amazon world unless like I've heard someone loving it. But these are reusable cotton pads. I was like, what is the word for that? So basically they're cotton pads, but they are like a fabric that's like stitched around the side, and they're reusable. And I love these for putting on my toner, for putting on my Glossier solution. These are just like such an awesome product, and they actually come with this bag right here to wash them in. So when there's 17 in a pack, by the way. So when they get dirty, I just pop them in here and then I throw this in the washer, and then they're good as new. So highly recommend these instead of using cotton pads daily and just throwing them in the garbage. These are a really great environmentally friendly alternative. If you guys have been with me since the beginning of my channel, I actually did a review on this product probably like my first or second video, and it's still going strong. It's still my very favorite. To remove my makeup, what I will do is take my makeup off with the washcloth, and that's what this is. It is basically just a white cloth, and you wet it and then you just take your makeup off with it with nothing on it, and your makeup just comes off on this. So you can get these on Amazon now, and I will link them down below. Also, I want to mention that the washcloths are super easy to travel with. It's kind of like a reusable face wipe, and then you just wash it with some soap and then let it dry. Okay, so getting into the last couple of products, this is one of my favorite purchases from Amazon. So this is my wicker bag from Amazon, and I loved the trend going around, and so I bought this for myself in the summertime. And it comes with a little strap here so I can do it crossbody, and then it also has this little pouch in here like this that you can close up the top so that your stuff doesn't fall out of it. And it's basically like a mini version of those like massive beach bags. It's just the best bag ever. I wore this the entire summer. Okay, so the next product is a portable iPhone charger. So what you can do is you actually just plug in your phone to the top here, and then it just sits on your phone, and there's no cord involved. And then another cool feature is that you can plug it in to charge it on one side, and then also have your phone plugged in at the same time, and it'll charge both of them. So this is one of those products that I keep in my bag at all times just in case I need an extra charge. And another selling feature that they mention is that it's the size of a lipstick. So pretty cool. Okay, so another product that is kind of random. This was like this isn't really fashion, but it's kind of like a clothing item. I'm dropping everything. So basically in the summertime, I really am not comfortable with wearing no shorts underneath dresses because I'm like, first of all, it's uncomfortable, and I just always want like my legs to be covered. Basically what I did was I bought these pair of black shorts, and I also have them in beige. They basically look like those biker shorts that are really in, except they are so comfy and like a really light material. You obviously can't wear these alone. They're supposed to be an undergarment, but I love wearing these underneath skirts or dresses because even at the office when you're sitting down, you just want to be confident that like everything's covered, you know what I mean? So these are a really great purchase that they're actually only like $11, which is so super cheap. So I bought them in the beige and in the black. And then this is another one of my more recent purchases, which is the Stasher bag. And basically I got hooked on these through Instagram because I was like essentially a reusable Ziploc bag. So they have a whole bunch of different sizes. This is the minier bag. I'm not exactly sure which size, but they sell a whole bunch of these on Amazon, and I got a larger bag and two of these. So they're really good to store food in them. You can put them in the dishwasher, the microwave. So they're pretty much like indestructible, and you can put anything in them and they just save the environment because you're not reusing plastic Ziploc bags. Okay, so the next product is an organizing product, and if you guys know me, I'm obsessed with organizing. I'm practically borderline OCD, and so when this company actually reached out to me to send me one of their products. It's an organizing product, and I was like, I am so down. So you can buy it on Amazon, so I thought I would include it in this video. This is the coolest jewelry box ever. So this is what it looks like. It's like this really beautiful blush pink color, and then you open it up. Oh, it's so pretty. And so there's three different levels actually. Okay, so at the top here, these are all spaces for rings and earrings. I put a pair of earrings here, and then there's also these little cubbies here which you can put, I put necklaces in there. And then the second tier at the bottom underneath, they have these little almost like stud holders here, and you can actually remove them. So I'll show you what they look like. So there's 3 of these like this. So all 3 of these you can actually remove and move around, which is super cool. And then these ones as well. These are a little bit more space in here. So I have my larger gold hoops and a couple other earrings here. And what's cool about this is this is gonna fall, but this can actually be removed as well. And I just ruined everything, but that's okay. And then you can actually separate these as well. So if you wanted to just kind of separate it into 2, then you can do that as well. And then these 3 over here are a little bit larger, so you can move these in and out as well. And I find it so awesome because you can customize the space so easily. And then under here, which I will actually, this is where it is, and you can actually remove this, which is super cool. And this is where I keep my 2 favorite necklaces, and you just pop it back in just like that, and they stay really nice and snug in there. And then the next surprise is that this actually removes, and so I have a whole bunch of random stuff under there, but it's a really good size space, and I don't know if you can see, but it's divided into 4 as well, which you can customize. Okay, so that was a little bit difficult to show you guys all of the different components of this, but I thought that it was totally worth it because something like this would be a really cool gift for Christmas or something like that. And I'm the type of person that I really love just displaying it like this and having this open, because then I can see all the jewelry that I can wear. So I just keep it on my desk right here. So I just keep it displayed on my desk like that. And my last Amazon favorite is my newest book edition. This is the Skincare Bible. I had a friend actually recommend this to me over the summertime, and I bought it and I read it over some vacation time that I had, and this is such an informative book. I love it. I'm not actually done it yet, but I'll get there. I know a lot of people who follow me on my Instagram would love this book because it's so informative, and a lot of those people are just love skincare just like me. But this is one of my favorite reads so far. I'm not even done it, but I still love it. Okay, so now that completes all of the items, all of the 12 items that I love on Amazon. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.